4 decades after the Supreme Court validated the execution of convicts on the death row by hanging, the Supreme Court now says it is ready for a fresh scrutiny. Now, the Supreme Court is listening to a PIL that was filed 6 years ago and wants to relook at how executions take place in India, and is there a more humane way that it can be done. Now, here's what the Chief Justice of India, Chandrachud, said while hearing this petition. We will look at two perspectives. First, is there an alternative method far more consistent with human dignity to render hanging by the neck unconstitutional? And second, even if there is no alternative method, does hanging by the neck method satisfy the test of proportionality so as to render it valid? An issue that was not addressed in the Dina judgment at all. So what is the Dina judgment? It is a judgment of 1983 in a case of Dina versus the Union of India. Coincidentally, it was a case that was dealt by the father of the current Chief Justice of India, Justice Y.V. Chandrachud, and in that the Supreme Court had accepted that execution can be taken place by hanging. Now, the Supreme Court has asked the centre to examine other possibilities, other alternatives, and prepare a report and come back with its views by the end of May. And the Supreme Court has also said that it is willing to form a committee to examine this very issue depending on the data that the centre gives it.